Hi guys, welcome back to another extreme spring cleaning motivation. My house fell apart. I think I say that every video, but it actually happens quite a bit here. Yeah, so everything's kind of a mess. This is a whole house clean with me, and I'm hoping this gives you a lot of motivation to clean your house, clean with me, or just enjoy watching me clean in my house. Starting by stripping the beds. I usually wash the kids' sheets every 2 weeks or as needed, like if they're really dirty or they've been snacking in their bedroom or something like that. I do wash them more frequently. So today is laundry day, sheet day more specifically.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting glass after glass. I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
Have I ever told you guys that I actually use dish soap to clean the majority of my bathroom and kitchen? You know, a lot of dish soap is made with ammonia, and the antibacterial stuff is good, so I feel like unless I'm bleaching the toilets, the dish soap works really well. I love the way it cleans. It's not too harsh or abrasive on my surfaces, and I actually even use it in my shower, as you'll see.
Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
Guys, I want to know how you guys have been holding up during this pandemic. What's it like in your area? We live in New England and our numbers have been up and down, and it's been a little crazy for us being stuck in the house. Luckily, we're near the water. We can take drives. We can, see the animals. Let me know in the comments. I just want to show you guys what my children have been up to. They scribbled with, this is pen all over my wall. I don't even know when it happened, but I just saw it. So I'm going to use my Norwex microfiber cloth, which is the microfiber that I love, and I've used them for years. And I just wet my cloth and tried to get it off with just plain water, which actually, because the microfiber is such good quality, it does work like that on a lot of things, but it didn't take this off, so I moved on to a paste. Norwex carries a paste. It's all natural, and it's just like a magic eraser. It honestly is so impressive. It's taken pen off my laptop, it's taken pen off my walls, as you can see. It's taken crayon off of my walls. It's amazing.
You know that I can't seem to focus when you're getting close to me. We're like a broken record spinning round and round all year. I know that I can't do more. I know that you feel the same. Why do we keep playing all of these games? I don't wanna go, cause your love is what I want, babe. You know that I wanna stay this way forever. I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you. I know that it won't be easy, maybe we're just too alike. I wanna stay up all You know my friends think that I'm crazy, cause you're all that I can see. I hope that we will make it, cause I'm falling here for real. You know that I can do more, just wanna care for you, babe. Why we keep on playing all of these games? I don't wanna go, cause your love is what I want, babe. You know that I wanna stay this way forever. I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you. I know that it won't be easy, maybe we're just too alike. I wanna stay up all night with you. Up all night with you. This love, we just gotta hold on tight. Cause I know we will be alright, babe. You know that I will miss you if you leave. Cause I love you for the rest of my life, babe. I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you. I know that it won't be easy, maybe we're just too alike. I wanna stay up all night with you. Up all night with you.
Now it's time to get the sheets back on the beds and pick up the kids' room. I still have a bunch of toys to pick up and put away. Seems like there are never-ending toys in this house. I really need to do a purge because I don't even think the kids play with all of them, to be honest.
Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, just wanna get high, just wanna get higher. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight. Cause we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. Only got one chance, got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down.
Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please share and like and comment below. I can't wait to see you guys again. And again, thanks so much. This is really motivating for me, and I hope it motivated you too.